I'm Arvelyn Lewis and I sell real estate. Today I'm out in Loganville. It is a suburb of Atlanta and recently rated one of the most highly desirable communities in Atlanta, or I'm sorry, in America. And so let's go in and see what this is doing. Again, it's new construction in Loganville. And so when you first walk in or when your guests walk in, this is what they will see. This is the formal dining room area. And this looks like it's an office space. Of course, it can be used however you like it since it will be your home. This could be a living room, could actually be used as a bedroom if you put in a closet. And sometimes the builders will do that once it's under contract and you're finally building out your home product. So it's got a beautiful lighting kit, and with most builders, the lights are something that you can select as you're doing your final construction or actually under contract and beginning the construction process. They'll allow you to choose the lighting, the color floors, and lots of other neat stuff. So in this floor plan, the kitchen and the family room are one unit. The kitchen overlooks the family room. Very nice setup. Everything is kind of wide open here. So even with the um, walking in, you pretty much see everything that is happening. The kitchen has the cut cabinets that go near the ceiling or all the way to the top, and then you could put some canisters or plants or something up there, but it is pretty much near the ceiling. We've got a beautiful, beautiful granite countertop here. It's not a waterfall, but I suspect, I don't have to be right with this, but I suspect you might be able to get the builder to do a waterfall for an extra fee. This is a 6 burner Whirlpool. Sorry, this is actually 5 burners, but it is a Whirlpool cooktop. And the backsplash is beautiful subway tiles. On this side, we have a walk-in pantry. So you can stuff all your things that you don't want anyone to see in there. Dual oven. Here they've put the microwave, but again, with it being new construction, you might select in the building or pre-build process to put 2 ovens there, and they may accommodate you. You don't have to, I don't have to be right, but with most new builders, they will work with you on the things that you'd like to be in your home. We've got a huge first level bathroom here. This is adjacent to a bedroom. And as I said, you can choose certain things, and they're using this bedroom or this room as a design center so that when you actually go under contract, you can choose the various brick that you want on the front or side and all the various kinds of granite for the kitchen and the bathrooms. You choose what is good for you. Okay, let's go over here. That area there is actually where the garage would be if it were not the model home. Well, let's go over here and check out this. Oh, it's wonderful. You're gonna like this. It's wonderful. So we've got this huge backyard. Now, what you see here, again, it's new construction. So some of the lots, the poles that are sticking out are the lots that have yet to be built upon. But there is a nice space here for the backyard. Here we have the screened-in area that has a outdoor fireplace so that when you are in the summer, in the winter, in the fall, you can come out here and enjoy this screened-in area and not be subject to the outdoor elements. If it's cold, you've got a fireplace. And I think these areas like this outdoor room is absolutely fantastic. So now we will go upstairs and check out the sleeping quarters. An accent wall there. And this loft area could actually be a bedroom. On this side, we have a walk-in bath. Here's one of the bedrooms. And this is another bedroom. And this over here is the owner's suite. Of course, this is where the magic happens. Now here they've done something different with the tray ceiling. It has indentures and, well, you know what I'm going to call that? Kind of a molding of its own on the ceiling. And it's got a lip so that if you chose to put lighting in those trays up there, you could do that, giving an ambiance to this owner's suite. This dual sinks in the bathroom. Very long shower with double waterfalls. And in here we have the closet. It's kind of a large closet. I now am against the wall for the closet. So you have a lot of space. You could put a table, a dressing table in there, or, whatever you like. There's a window seat there, again, so that you can dress. And the water closet back there. And lastly, a bathroom. Actually, no, this is the laundry room. They've just got it slightly decorated. So it's the laundry room. You've got your laundry hookups there. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. what your thoughts are on this new construction home, Loganville, Georgia. Give me your opinion. Tell me what else you'd like to see. I'm Arvelyn Lewis. I sell real estate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.